Go! Come on! The dog will soon sniff them out. Easy.
You shoot? You know that. Why you gotta treat me like a kid?
It's what fathers do. I'm just trying to look out for you.
Father, when it suits you, what about the rest of the time?
Come on, Jack. That ain't exactly fair.
One minute you're telling me to be a man, the next you tell me I'm just a boy.
It's gonna take a while for things to get back to normal.
Normal? Was it ever normal?
I don't know, but it'll get better, son. I promise.
There you go.
Come!
I'm sorry, Paul.
You don't need to be.
I don't mean to be moody. I'm glad you're home. I really am. It's just every time you go up, well, I worry you're not coming back.
I swear, if it was down to me, I'd never have gone anywhere.
They can't make you, can they?
It's complicated, but it seems they can.
Yeah, I know. I wouldn't understand.
Just some things you start have to be finished. Whoa there.
What was your father like?
Come on, he's picked up a scent. Follow me! Slow it up now. Let's go! That's it, boy! Whoa, whoa! Go get him, boy! Come on! That's his signal! Come on!
Hold up a moment.
Stupid animal! Come on! Whoa there!
Easy.
Good work, son! Go on now, Rufus! Find the rest of them! Come on! Come on!
Whoa.
Whoa! Yeah!
There you go. Yeah, go on, Rufus. Come on. Oh, look, fast enough.
You can find them, Rufus! Yeah! Whoa! What do you smell, boy? Slow up. Easy. Good boy.
Wait, let me catch you up.
Gotcha.
Come on.
That looks like all of them. All right, we should head back now. We got out.
Idiot! How many did we kill? They won't be after our cattle for a while.
That was some good shooting, son.
So can I go out hunting by myself now?
Hold on there, cowboy. You ain't ready for that yet. One step at a time.
Ah, please, Bob.
We'll go out again soon. Catch something nice for your ma to cook.
I reckon I could kill a bear, no problem.
I ain't gonna tell you again, Jack. You don't leave the farm without checking with me first, you hear?
Yes, sir, I hear you. Whoa! Paul, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Were you a murderer?
What?
That place where they held us. Ma shouted at a guard one time, and he yelled that you were a murderer.
Maybe. But I live my life believing there's a difference.
Hello, sir.